This tree was supposed to fall on top of the shed, and I had to make a precise cut in order to make it fall towards that direction. Don't worry, I'm here to show you how.
See that? You see how it went that way? This time it's gonna be a little different. This video, I ain't gonna put you through the whole video this time so you can see the outcome. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim this tree, which I already did trim the tree by the time you hear this. It's just I'm gonna edit the video. So basically I already trimmed the tree that was falling down, right?
So guys, I know maybe in the video I wasn't talking properly.
And it goes that way, right? So this is the way we're gonna make sure that it goes that way.
I'm gonna explain to you how it really goes that way, because on the video I really didn't get a chance to really explain it the correct way.
The way we're gonna make sure it goes that way is by making it go that way.
Which meaning,
So we gotta make it come this way, right? And the only way we're gonna do that is by doing a lip on this side, right? In order for that tree to go that way, right? And not that way, because if it goes that way, that's a metal shed right there, right? So the way we're gonna do it.
let me explain to you guys what I did here. The first thing I did was I created a notch, a face cut. And then after that, I give it a back cut. So basically, I created a big space enough to make the weight of the tree fall towards the other side once I give the other side a back cut.
See that, my friend? Now, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you what I just did. You see how tall that tree is, right? I gotta be careful that that tree doesn't hit that way, right? Look what I just did, my friend. You see that?
That's called a notch,
That lip right there is
a
what's gonna
face
make
cut.
this tree go that way, right? I want you to enjoy this real quick, friend.
So in all reality, I don't want the tree, which is tall, I don't want it to go towards the house either. So I need it to fall towards the house, but not touching the house, if it makes sense. Once I created the big notch on this side, all I really got to do is make sure I do the back cut on the other side, and the whole weight of the tree will fall towards that side, towards the house, and not towards the metal shed. Once the hitch is set, you make your back cut on the opposite side, and the hitch does the work. It pulls the tree away from the shed instead of into the shed. This is what's called a back cut.
Now, you hear it? It has to go that way. You hear it?
In this type of job, you want exactly what you plan. The tree has to fall down exactly where you want it to fall. Any mistake here could cost you a $5,000 insurance claim.
Basically,
Right here, I'm cutting a wedge. so I can put that piece of wood on the back cut. This way I'll make reinforcement and force the tree to continue falling towards the other side.
Right here. Look. See that, my friends? You see that? You see that, right? You see that, right?
Okay, so here we finish up the back cut, and voila. Just like we said it was gonna go down towards the house.
You see that? You see how it went that way?
Now, I want you to take a look what was behind me.
See that? It's because the metal
Look at that
it was
shed.
right here, you see?
Look how long the tree was. The tree would have actually hit that
now,
shed.
This right here is what we gotta take now.
So now I'm just gonna keep on cutting so everything can fit on the trailer. Guys, I want to leave you with this. Guys, this is why you just don't start cutting. You need to plan your cut first every single time before you start cutting. That's the difference between a clean job and a $5,000 insurance claim. You made it this far. Please, please, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with others. This will help us in a tremendous way to keep reaching others. My truly goal here is to help as much as I can those that are in need, and I'm gonna provide free services for those that really are in need. God bless you all. See you next time. Thanks for watching.